This was actually a concept that started in West Metro Medical Center, which is in Zamboanga. And we were able to actually make this a regional one last year. And I promise that it will be a national Battle of the Nightingales this year. And we are making that happen. I would like to let you know that outside of the prizes that you see here, the champion for the Region 12 Battle of the Nightingales today, the 3 students, you will actually be given a scholarship grant for your 4th year, and you will also be provided funding for your review after you graduate. And you can choose from any of the 20 Metro Pacific Hospital Network hospitals where you intend to pursue your employment and training, so that we assure you a great future with Metro Pacific Health. With that, maraming salamat, and let the battle begin.
The Lightbringers of Sultan Kudarat State University.
We are here not to be just part of the BLTN 2023 history, but to be the history.
And we are going to bring home the bacon once more. We believe.
We exerted, and we will conquer.
Animosa!
We are the student nurses from Notre Dame of the Jangas University. So today, we will be showcasing our skills and knowledge through the Battle of the Nightingales, with the hope to inspire other people to become angels in the sick room in the future. Good luck to all participants!
We are the student nurses from
Notre Dame of Marbelle University, equipped with correct attitude, unwavering competence, and culture sensitivity. We believe that we have truly prepared for this competition and hopefully will bag the crown.
Hello everyone! We are the 4th-year student nurses from General Santos Doctors Medical School Foundation, Inc., participating in today's event, the Battle of the Nightingales. And we choose to become nurses because we really felt that there is a need or scarcity of nurses, and we think that we are the chosen ones. Nursing is not just a profession, but it is a calling.
That's why we are very much thankful for this opportunity given to us, because it showcases our knowledge and it even furthermore celebrates the sacrifice of our nurses.
We are the Nightingales of Notre Dame of Tacoron College.
We prepared for this Battle of the Nightingales by focusing on the different areas of nursing subjects such as
medical and surgical nursing,
leadership and management,
maternal and child health nursing, and so much more.
We hope for the best, and may God bless us all.
We are the nursing students from Broken Shore College, Soxurgen Incorporated. We joined the Battle of the Nightingales Regional Quiz Bowl not only for the prestige of winning,
but also to showcase our perfect God-given gifts.
apply what we've learned in school,
and practice teamwork.
Thank you, St. Elizabeth Hospital.
We are from Sultan Kudarat Educational Institution. We are here to represent our school for the battles of Nightingales. And we believe that above success, there is excellence beyond impossible. Tatak SKI, tatak tagumpay.
Very happy. We were not expecting na madami kaming tama because some of our answers were wrong and we have learned from it also along the way. So we are very grateful na kasali kami sa final round.
Actually, for us, mas nahihirapan kami sa multiple choices rather than the identification at saka communication. But overall, we're thankful na we got into the finals in a very unexpected way kasi nga we didn't get to have a score sa hard level.
This next battle na naman sa 4 top 3, we are hoping na ma-answer namin yung mga tanong. Yan po. Thank you.
Why are we doing this? I think really it's rightful that we should expose to the whole country, in fact to the whole world, how important our nurses are. We've always been saying that they are the best export we have, but we've never really given the chance to let them showcase, even as students, what they know and the difficulty that they actually go through before they become registered nurses. And we wanted to give you that visibility via this Battle of the Nightingales.
We are really happy po na kami po yung nanalo since ang ginawa lang po namin is nag-rely po kami kay God and at the same time, nag-effort din po kami. And hindi po namin ma-reach yung ganito, hindi po namin makuha ito without God. And yun lamang po, we enjoyed the game and we did our best. See you Manila!
See you!